These three recent updates in the video editing space of Wondershare Virbo could tremendously help your AI video creation. Don't blink, it's the showtime. First up, the redesigned interface in Virbo AI video editing makes everything super intuitive. On the left, you'll find all the essentials templates, avatars, backgrounds, text, stickers, music, and the import tab, all in one place. But the real game changer, the brand new AI generation tab. In this tab, you'll discover two exciting features. The AI video tool lets you generate videos by simply uploading a photo and writing a prompt. And with the AI audio tool, you can create anything from music and songs to sound effects, simply by typing a prompt. Over on the right, you'll see your current scenes, and you can add more as needed. There's also the text-to-speech feature, where you can type your script to generate AI voiceover, or you can upload audio files. But what's exciting now is that Virbo AI can automatically extract text from your uploaded audio and add it as subtitles. No more manual transcription. Just let Virbo handle it for you. Want to create videos for different platforms? Virbo AI video editing now supports multiple aspect ratios. Before, you only had two options. But now, you can customize your video dimensions to suit YouTube, Instagram, or any platform you choose. Check out the subtitle customization options. Toggle subtitles on or off at the top, then dive into the style settings to make your captions truly stand out. Last but not least, we have the new timeline editing feature. Expand the timeline by clicking the arrow, and you'll see individual layers for each element such as backgrounds, text, stickers, and more. You can even expand and shrink the timeline. It's like having a pro editing studio, but simplified. Virbo AI now lets you animate the entry and exit of elements with new transitions. With tools like advanced timeline editing, text extraction for subtitles, and AI video generation, Virbo AI video editing takes your creativity to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.